Hello, this is Professor Brooks English, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to use a source code, embed code, and also a hyperlink. So first, we're going to go into our discussion board assignment, and in here, I'm going to add a new topic called energy disruption. And I want to share a video with other students. So I'm going to use what's called the HTML source code editor. And here, to use this, I need to have source code, or what we call embed code. Like it's in our bed. It's like together with us. So I'm going to go over here to YouTube, and I'm going to find an interesting video by Tony Seba, who is a clean energy technologist and an expert on energy disruption and transition. So I'm going to choose this video on transportation for our lesson on transportation. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to right click and copy embed code, which is the same as source code. Now it just copied it. I'm going to come back over here, go here, and then I'm going to paste. Notice that this is what we call HTML code, and where it says width and height, you can change the dimension of the video. So I'm going to change it to 700 and 400, and it will look like this. Ta-da! So this really makes it easy to put in videos to share with other students. You can see that it even starts playing. Okay, now let's say I want to put in not a video, but I want to put in a link to the video. We call this a hyperlink, everyone, hyperlink. So I'll put in here, watch this amazing video by Tony Seba on the future of transportation. Okay, oops, there we go. So where it says future this amazing video, I'm going to put the link. And up here is the what we call hyperlink. All right. Now, in order to do this, though, I have to have the URL link. So I'm going to come back over here, right click, and you see right here where it says copy video URL. I'm going to left click, and now it has copied it. I'll come back here, and I will paste the link. Click insert, and there it is. If you want, you can add, let's see here, hold on a second. Just taking off that extra space, and we're going to go ahead and make this black. Sometimes you have to make it another color and then bring it back to black. Bold, and then I'll highlight, and then it makes it very easy for anyone to see. And I'll save that. I'll post to the forum to show you what it looks like. I will click here on energy disruption. And there it is. So if I click here, it plays. And if I right click, it opens to YouTube and plays the video. That is the end of our tutorial on how to do embed code or source code and to make a hyperlink. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck posting on our discussion boards and in other assignments.